Hello. Republic of Finland. This is the brown bear, Finland's national animal. The whooper swan, Finland's national bird. It is a sovereign state. It lies in Northern Europe in the region of Fennoscandia. It borders Sweden and Norway in the north. It borders Russia in the east. Estonia is across the Gulf of Finland in the south. Most people live in the southern part of the country. It is the most sparsely populated country in the European Union. It is the 8th largest country in Europe. Helsinki is the capital of Finland. The landscape. It is known for its thousands of lakes and islands. There are roughly 188,000 lakes, and there are 179,000 islands. Most of the islands lie in the southwest in the archipelago sea. Most of Finland is flat with few hills and few mountains. The highest mountain is in the extreme north of Lapland. Running northwest to southeast are morainic deposits left by the glaciers. These deposits form eskers. Eskers are long, winding ridges of stratified gravel and sand. The most famous of these eskers are Pauselka ridges. And this is the Pauselka ridge, and this is the national park in southeastern Finland. The landscape is covered by coniferous taiga forests and fens. The taiga is the world's largest biome apart from the oceans. A biome is characterized by coniferous forests. Coniferous forests consist mainly of pine, spruce and larches and birches. The taiga is also known as the boreal or snow forest. Finland is the largest producer of wood in Europe and one of the biggest in the world. The fauna. Finland has a large number of animals, birds, reptiles and fish. In Finland's largest lake, Saimaa, you can see the world's rarest seals. These are the rare seals. The midnight sun. You can see the midnight sun at the northernmost point in Finland. In summer, the sun does not set for 73 days. In winter, the sun does not rise for 51 days. The aurora borealis can be seen from September to March in the north. It can be seen for 10 to 20 days in a year from southern Finland too. Health and welfare systems. For both Finns and citizens of other countries, the welfare system is excellent. It is one of the best in the world. Each of the 19 regions in Finland is governed by regional councils. The main jobs of the councils in the regions are regional planning and development of enterprise and education. The public health services are usually organized on the basis of regions. Here we have farming. Animals are raised in the northern regions. Cereals are grown in the southernmost regions. Industry. Finland is the world's main wood producer. Wood includes forestry, paper, pulp, and timber. The metal industry includes shipbuilding, metalworking, the car industry, and engineered products. The biggest cruise ships are built in Finnish shipyards. Languages. Finnish and Swedish are the official languages in Finland. Swedish is spoken in some coastal areas in the west and south and in Åland. Sami is spoken in northern Lapland. Education. In Finland, 93% of students graduate high school. In the US, only 75.5 students graduate high school. Here is a typical class of children in primary school using their tablets. Not many children attend nursery school. Formal education begins at the age of 7. Primary school is for 6 years and middle school is for 3 years. You can leave school at the age of 16 and go to work, or you can go to either upper secondary schools or gymnasiums, which are academically oriented, and trade schools, which offer a vocational education. After the gymnasium, you qualify for tertiary education, which is number 1 in the world. Education is free. There are 20 universities and 30 polytechnics in Finland. Music. Finnish classical music is influenced by tradition, Karelian melodies and lyrics. One famous classical composer is John Sibelius. There is a monument dedicated to Sibelius in the capital, Helsinki. A landmark to honor John Sibelius, the composer. The hard rock band Him, National Dress, and Rovaniemi is the residence of Nicholas, a few kilometers south of the Arctic Circle. Cuisine. Karelian pasty, summer vegetable soup, small fried fish and buttermilk. Karelian pasty is a traditional dish made with rice, eggs and pastry. Fish, poultry, grains, potatoes and berries are eaten. Not much beef is eaten. Milk and buttermilk. This is milk with lemon juice added, and a lot of coffee is drunk. Sports. A game called pesäpallo. This is a game called pesäpallo, which resembles baseball, is the national sport. Ice hockey is popular too. Ice hockey. Other sports are athletics, cross-country skiing, ski jumping, football and basketball are also popular. Finns are very good at throwing the javelin too. Here is the javelin. The sauna. The sauna was invented in Finland. It is a type of bath. A family will have a sauna once or twice a week. Public saunas are segregated, men in one place and women in another. Most houses, apartment blocks and hotels have a sauna. After a sauna, some people run into the snow to cool down. Brrr, cold. Bye-bye.